Welcome to EV-olution, the channel that offers electric car information and insights from the perspective of a first-time EV owner, showing the evolution from gas car ownership to being an electric vehicle owner. There were few videos from first-time electric car owners that could help me in my decision-making process. In other words, what's it like from the perspective of someone who's never owned an electric car? Does range anxiety really exist? What charging station should I buy at home for my specific needs? How much does it cost to charge the car at home? As well as several other questions. Another thing I found is that most of the videos available online are from Europe, Asia, or the US. That isn't a bad thing, but being Canadian, I wanted to know what are the differences with being an EV owner in Canada. How do you navigate local government incentives? What are the charging stations like here, particularly in my province in Quebec? How do I use them? Are the apps available and published for US useful or available here in Canada? And many more questions. These are just some of the topics that I'll be covering in future videos, as well as EV tips, information, and product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate if you'd subscribe to my channel to help it grow, and if you like this video, please click that thumbs up icon. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified about future videos, and thanks for watching.